Assalamu alaikum students, this is Fatima here. Hope you all are fine. In today's lecture class, we will start our second term. But before starting it, the most important thing for you to know is that the exam of this subject will be oral. So attend all your lectures carefully. Now class, see the first topic for this week, which is physical features of the earth, which means the natural features of our planet. In this lecture, I will give you the overview of this topic, so listen me carefully. So students, do you know that our earth is covered by water and land, and it's round in shape just like a ball? And our earth has 3 different layers. You can see these layers in the picture on the right side. The first layer of the earth is crust. This is the outermost surface of the earth. This is basically the layer where we all live, and this is the layer which consists of soil, rocks and everything that we see around ourselves. Below the crust, the second layer is called mantle, which is made of hot rocks, and below the mantle, the third layer of the earth is called core, which is the hottest part of our planet, just like the sun. So class, these are the 3 layers of the earth. Now move forward and let's talk about the landforms. What are landforms? Landforms are the natural shapes of the earth. As we all know that our land is not plain. It has different kinds, different forms and different shapes, which are called landforms. Let's see the different kinds of landforms. First one is the mountain. Mountains are the highest points of the earth. As you can see in this picture, they are much higher from the surface of the land. And these are one of the major kinds of the landforms. Second one is the river, which means darya. Third one is plain. Plains are the low land areas. These are also called the flat areas, which means midani ilake. And the next one is desert. Deserts are the dry areas of the land. These are the areas which are covered with the sand and receive less rain. Okay class, so these are the major landforms discussed in this chapter. I hope you all get it. By watching this video, you will be able to understand the main idea of this topic. In our next lecture, we will see the exercise of this topic. Thank you for listening my class. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.